Whoa, guys, this is cool.
Are they watching it? They trying to put water to put it out. Where? Right here, Robert.
So, guys, there's a big fire up there. I'm gonna update you when I can. So, just wait. Here's a little update, guys. See a little fire. We need a fire department. We're seeing this help. Oh, as we're missing this. It's a light show. It's a light show. Pop, pop, pop. But back to the updates on a fire. It's crazy, guys. Like, whoa. Yo, I can hear the fire department. I don't know if y'all can. Just listen. Oh my gosh, that scared me. But if y'all can hear the fire, I think it was fire trucks. Yeah, the fire trucks coming. Yeah, they coming. You can hear them. Kind of see them in the distance, maybe. That's a car over there. But look down the road.
Hey, Billy, get out the way.
Whoa. Yeah, y'all can probably hear it.
They stopping them and telling them.
God dang. That's the little fire over there. The firework is coming. Not firework. Fire people, firefighters are coming to blow it out.
Well, no, but that's a lot of trees. You know what I'm saying? If they put a pot of it.
There's my auntie dad.
That's your auntie?
Yeah. What? Let's go. It's crazy. Y'all just missed something funny, y'all.